Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Be Quiet Dark Power 14 1000 watts, available and on 850 and 1200 watts. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual, premium case, I like that. Wow, it smells so nice from the factory. Fresh. So many cables. Let's take a look what we have in the box. Velcro 3, 6, 9, 10. Be Quiet. I like it. Zip ties 6. Screws. 5 screws and another 5 screws here. The power cord with a length 1.5 meters, very convenient, and obviously you can plug it in here. Very strong connection. Later I will show you one by one and the cables. I like the design. Dark power. And here at the back we have the on-off switch, 100 to 240 volts. There is a button on the rear of the power supply that allows you to switch between a balanced active cooling mode, in which the silent wings fan spins continuously, on-off, and a semi-passive mode, off, in which the fan does not spin under low load and only starts when additional cooling is required for more demanding operations. And with a simple push of the second button, you can manually switch between multi-rail and single-rail modes. This provides complete control over overclocking between the standard 412-volt rail mode and the alternative, more powerful single-rail operation. The dimensions are 175, 150, by 86 mm. The Dark Power 14 is certified with 80 plus titanium and cybernetics titanium for a stunning energy efficiency rating of up to 95.5%. A large aluminium heatsink is connected to the parts of the power supply that require the most cooling, dissipating a significant amount of heat. And we have a silent wings fan 135 mm for virtually inaudible operation. And with an active rectifier and full bridge LLC technology, it offers some of the most advanced technologies available, resulting in a higher efficiency, better regulation and lower ripple noise. This power supply uses high-quality Japanese capacitors rated to 105 degrees Celsius. They ensure stability, reliability and a long operating life. Only use the cables you need. Modular, sleeved cables measuring up to 180 cm in length makes it easier to install components and reduce annoying clutter. This is for the motherboard with a length 60 cm, 20 plus 4 pin, 24 pin. And obviously that goes here. The first locks here and the larger here. And it locks. So easy. CPU 12 volt P8, the length it is 70 cm. And another one here, 70 cm CPU. Both of these cables you can connect here at the P8. First here and the second here. So easy. Is an ATX 3.1 power supply and comes with both native integration of the 12 volt 2x6 connector for next generation PCIe 5.1 graphics card and for PCIe 6+2 pin connectors for support of current gen CPUs, 6+2 connectors. The total length, it is 120 centimeter, 60 and another 60 centimeter. Same as that cable, we can connect it here. And this for the graphics card. Here. So many cables. Of course, you don't need all the cables. And another cable with a total length 105 centimeter. The connection for SATA and HDD. And you can use one of these slots. And of course, the cable 600 watts, 60 centimeter, and you can connect that right here. Perfect. The same here, 105 centimeter the length, SATA cable, another one, connecting that here. Another one. That was all. Included all these cables. Wow. Black matte mess here. Just love it. I'm really impressed with the build quality and the fully modular design. If you're building a rig with a power-hungry 50 series graphics card or a high-performance CPU, it's important not to cut corners when it comes to the power supply unit. With 1000 watts or 850 or 1200 watts of overhead, you have plenty of breathing room. And the titanium efficiency means less heat and lower energy bills over the life of your system. It's the kind of component you only need to buy once and then never have to think about again for the next decade. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more PC hardware reviews, benchmarks and build guides. Thanks for watching, build powerful, stay quiet, and I'll see you in the next one.